it.
I hate it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wade from Black Tie Barn, and this is Leo. Leo is one of my little boys. He's my youngest, and he saw his brothers get to do a video, so he really wanted to do one himself. So he asked to do a video, and that's what we're gonna do today. Quick little fun video. But not only does he want to do a video like his brothers, he wants to do better than his brothers, right? Yeah. Some support for Leo. If you get a kick out of this video, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. He wants to get more likes and views than his brothers did. So that's the goal. So you want to say hi, Leo?
Hi.
Okay, so I think this is fun. Oh, by the way, we didn't go out and purchase these shirts to match, did we? We just had it, didn't we? You picked that shirt, and I just noticed when you picked it that I had the exact same shirt, just a bigger version. So what we're going to do today is Leo is going to, I'm always reviewing everyone's candles. And Leo is going to check out some of mine. Obviously, we're not doing any test burns or anything like that, but I'm going to hand him a candle. I'm going to show you what it is. And then I'm going to have him smell it and tell me if he likes it or not. What does he think about it? And then I've got some other questions for him as well. So let's go ahead and get started. You ready? So let's start with the first one here. We're going to go with... No, you can't look. You can't look. Okay. So this is the first one.
That's green.
Oh, I got to get the camera to zoom on it. It's one to follow our faces. Don't follow our face. Your face. I got to get in front of your face. There we go. Okay, that's the first one. Okay. You don't really read a ton yet, right? So you don't know what it is.
I like it.
Do you like that one? What's it smell like?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers? It's not cucumbers. I missed the mark.
Smells like one.
What? I mean, it smells like a plant. Outdoors, right? This was called mistletoe. You know what mistletoe is, right? Yeah, Christmas time. Let's set that one aside. You're going to tell me your favorite ones when we're done, okay? All right. Let's go to this one. Now, cover your face. Stop looking at his face. Look right here. All right, there we go. See if you like that one.
I hope I do.
Me too.
I'm scared.
You're scared? You don't like that one? Why?
The cat smells like charcoal. Charcoal.
Charcoal? It doesn't smell like charcoal.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. This is called pumpkin bake. I don't really like pumpkin much either. But this is pretty... Really? This is pretty popular around fall. It's not one of my favorites either, though. But it does good. I just don't like it much. Okay, next. There we go. Block your face. All right. Now, this one does pretty good for me, too. Let's see if you like it.
Yummy.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Why do you like that one?
It smells like a sun.
It smells like the sun?
Yummy. It smells like the sun.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but I'll take it if you like it. Is it just because it's yellow? It's a flower. It's some flowers. Let's go with this one. Don't leave looking. I know you're not supposed to see it.
I think it's...
Well, hold on. Can you read it? Do you know what it says? This big word right here.
Coffee.
No, it doesn't say coffee. You just guess that because it's brown. No, you're faking it.
Girl.
No, you really don't like that one?
No.
I wouldn't expect a kid to like that one. I love it.
I hate it.
I like it.
I hate it.
You know what it smells like? You know what it is?
Like
Leather.
leather.
Like a leather belt. Or leather boots.
Leather boots.
Yeah. You don't like it? Okay, let's go with this one. All right. What do you say about that one?
I think it's gonna smell like the sky.
Like the sky?
It smells like the ocean.
Oh, you got one right. That's it.
Wait, that's the ocean?
It's called Seaside. You got it right.
Yeah, it is the ocean.
Do you like this one? Yeah? This one got really popular last year. I like it a lot. You like the color too? Yeah. So you got that one right. It's called Seaside. You guessed ocean. So good job. Stop following faces. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's coffee one.
Nope. It's called sweet tobacco, which you probably don't even know what that smells like. Next. Okay. Like it?
Yeah.
You like outdoor ones and you like sweet ones and floral
Pumpkin?
ones. No. But it is a fall scent. It's called Mum Farm. You know what mums are?
Mum Farm.
You know what mums are? Those flowers that sit in the big kind of baskets, whatever. There's just a bunch of them. They make like a little bush, rounded bush. Next. I don't have the lid for some reason on this one. Spell the letters out though. Right here.
Cotton.
Cotton, yeah.
Cotton.
So it's like when we take your clothes out of the dryer sheets, like you're doing laundry.
I don't like that one.
Well, yeah, you wouldn't, but a lot of adults do. This is a pretty popular one. Okay, next up.
It says coffee.
You're just waiting for the coffee one, aren't you? Okay, see if you like this one.
I hope it's the coffee one. It's the coffee one.
Yeah, you like it. It's not just coffee, it's hazelnut coffee, right?
Oh,
You like that one?
Eat it.
You want to eat it, weirdo? God. It's pretty strong.
I like
You've always liked this one, haven't you?
it.
You like the color? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, this was my #1 selling candle my first year I was ever in business. This was one of my first ever good selling candles. So this one is not normally in this color. Okay. This is like a test one, but I'm currently out of the one. It's normally gray. Okay. A gray color, and it's my best selling candle.
What does it say?
It doesn't, because remember, it's a test one. Yeah, I don't think a kid will like it as much as an adult. But
Yummy!
Did you like it? Good. You know what it's called? Crackling Birch. Except for, like I said, this is just a test one, so it normally doesn't look like this. It's normally gray. Okay, 2 more left. Let's go with this one. Like the color red? You'll like this one.
Apples.
Yeah, like a spiced apples. It's a cider.
Spiced apples.
It's apple cider, basically.
Apple cider.
It's sort of like apple cider. Yeah, so it's more like spiced apples. It's a good one, isn't it? You like it?
Yummy spiced apple.
Yeah. That's one of your mommy's favorite ones. Last one. Now this is a trick one. Okay? I'll tell you in a minute. Okay. All right.
Smells like snow.
Like snow? I hope not. Trick one. You know why? Because you've already smelled this one in one of those other jars. You look at those. Tell me which one you think it is. Hold this one. 2 hands. Okay. Now smell this one.
Same.
Yeah. It's this one, the one you really like, Seaside. It's just a different jar. You're done checking out my candles. Which one was your favorite one?
The Seaside one.
The Seaside, the blue one? What was your second? And the apple one?
And my third one was the coffee one.
Okay, so these are your favorite 2. All right? These are your 2 favorites?
And
you like coffee?
yeah. Okay. And I also like the green.
The mistletoe?
And
my
favorite one, this one.
Oh yeah, Mum Farm.
And this one.
Yeah.
The yellow one.
Yeah. Okay, so I got some other questions for you now. You think you're gonna beat your brothers? Yeah. Why?
Because I'm better than them.
You're better than them? Yeah, your brothers. They got to help me make a candle and a candle kit, but since we didn't have time to do that, and you're kind of young for that, this is what we wanted to start with, right? So you got to check out my candles and criticize them and be mean to mine. You want to do 3 videos? Okay, we'll try to do other ones. What's your favorite color?
Red, blue, and black.
Red, blue, and black?
I mean, all of the colors instead of white.
Except for white. What's your mommy's favorite color?
Turquoise.
Turquoise?
Blue.
Yeah, that's probably true. So what do you think her favorite type of scent is? What does she like to smell?
What scent?
Like a smell?
Red one.
Yeah, because I already told you that. She liked that one the best. Right. Okay, so maybe we'll make a blue one for her. And maybe we can make one of those red ones. And maybe you can do it for like Mother's Day or Christmas.
No.
You don't want to make one for her?
No, for her birthday.
Oh, birthday. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, anything else you want to talk about on the camera? Leo wants to answer a few more questions. So how old are you?
6.
You just turned 6, didn't you? Like a couple days ago. Yeah. And what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Yeah. And do you know how old your brothers are?
15 and 12.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. What's your favorite movie?
Avengers.
Avengers? What's your favorite thing to drink?
Apple cider.
We just talked about apple cider. Is that why? What's your favorite grade class in school? What's your favorite subject that you study in school?
Cutting.
Cutting? You're not a cutting class.
Yes.
You know what? I should have buttoned my shirt up. We would have been exactly the same.
Spaghetti.
Yeti?
And sausage. Sausage.
Okay. What do you want to be when you get older? When you grow up? What do you want to do for a job?
Teacher.
What? You do not.
Yes, I
No, you would. Other kids would drive you nuts.
know.
Yes.
Ooh,
Yes.
No, they won't. No, they won't.
Well, let's wrap this video up. So, do you want anything you want to say at the end of the video? No? Well, I will say thank you all for watching and tuning into this. He really, really wanted to do a video, so this was fun, and hope you guys liked it. Give this video a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're interested in any other candle making videos. Yeah, we do the occasional fun ones like this too. And help Leo beat his brothers. And we will see you all next time. Thanks.
Bye.